Hi students, sets, relations and functions, exercise 1.2. See the fourth sum. Let P be the set of all triangles in a plane and R be the relation defined on P as A related to B if A is similar to B. A related to B if A is similar to B. Prove that R is an equivalence relation. P denote the set of all triangles in a plane. The condition is similar. Okay, the condition is similar. A related to reflexive A belongs to P. A related to A. Reflexive means A related to A. A is similar to A. The triangle is similar to the same triangle. Okay, then A is similar to A or is reflexive. Symmetric two triangles A comma B belongs to P. A related to B. A related to B means the condition A is similar to B. The reason is B related to A. A is similar to B. B is also A similar to A. Then B related to A. B is also similar to A. A related to B implies B related to A or is symmetric. Transitive ABC three triangles. Okay, A related to B, B related to C, and reason A related to also C. A is similar to also C. A related to B, if A is similar to B, B related to C, B is similar to C. This one is a statement. Reason A related to C. If A is also similar to C, A related to B, B related to C implies A related to C or is transitive or is an equivalence relation. Okay. Fifth sum, on the set of natural numbers, let R be the relation defined by A related to B if 2A equal to 3B equal to 30. Write down the relation by listing all the pairs. Check whether it is reflexive, symmetric, transitive and equivalence. Okay, N denote the set of all natural numbers. A related to B if 2A plus 3B equal to 30 given. I will take A equal to 30 plus 3B, go to that side, minus 3B divided by 2. A equal to, okay, A equal to 30 minus 3B divided by 2. Put A equal to 1, B equal to 1. B equal to 1 means 30 minus 3, 27 by 2. We get fraction. Okay, we cannot B equal to 1 take. Now, B equal to 2. B equal to 2 means 2 3s are 6. 30 minus 6 by 2, 24 by 2 equal to 12. B equal to 3, we get a fraction. Okay, then we cannot take B equal to 4. 4 means 4 3s are 12. Simplify 18 by 2, we get 9. Similarly, 5 is a fraction. Okay, B equal to 5 means we get a fraction. Then we cannot take B equal to 6. 6 means we get 6. B equal to 8. 8 substitute, we get 3. Okay, now suppose B equal to 9. 9 means 9 3s are 27. 3 by 2, we get a fraction. B equal to 10. B equal to 10 means 30 minus 30. 0. 0 is not a natural number. Okay, then only 4 pairs we get. 12 comma 2, 9 comma 4, 6 comma 6. 12 comma 2, 9 comma 4, 6 comma 6, 3 comma 8. Only we get 4 pairs. Okay, reflexive means here 12 means we want 12 comma 2. 9 means 9 comma 9. 3 means 3 comma 3. Okay, not in R. Value not in R. Therefore, R is not reflexive. Symmetric 12 comma 2 belongs to R means we want 2 comma 12. But 2 comma 12 not belongs to R. 9 comma 4 belongs to R means we want 4 comma 9 belongs to R. But 4 comma 9 not belongs to R. Therefore, R is not symmetric. Okay. And the transitive x comma y belongs to R. Y comma z not belongs to R. X comma z belongs to R. Already I told only one pair in R, but the two pairs 2 pairs not in R means this one is a not of not transitive. Okay. Now listen, for your easy understanding, symmetric. What is a symmetric? X comma y. One pair belongs to R means we want y comma x. The reason also belongs to R, symmetric. Okay, not symmetric means not symmetric. One pair x comma y belongs to R implies y comma x not belongs to R. One pair belongs to R, but the reverse y comma x not belongs to R means not symmetric. Okay, not of not symmetric. Not of not symmetric. Not of not symmetric means x comma y not belongs to R. Y comma x also not belongs to R. Two pairs. Okay, statement also not belongs to R, reason also not belongs to R, means this one is a not of not symmetric. Already we have seen R equal to empty set. Empty set, this one is a not of not symmetric. Empty mean no pair. X comma y not belongs to R, y comma x also not belongs to R. Okay, suppose in a set A equal to A comma A, B comma B, C comma C only is there. Okay, suppose I will take. Okay, this one is a reflexive, but this pair A comma B, B comma C, no pair in this A. Okay, then this one is a not of not symmetric. Reflexive satisfied, and not of not symmetric also satisfied. This one is a symmetric. Okay, understand or not? And transitive. Transitive means, this one is for your easy understanding. Okay, transitive means x comma y belongs to R, y comma z belongs to R implies x comma z also belongs to R means transitive. This one is a transitive. And not transitive means x comma y belongs to R, y comma z belongs to R implies x comma z not belongs to R, means not transitive. That is 2 comma 3 belongs to R, 3 comma 5 belongs to R, and 2 comma 5 not belongs to R. 2 comma 3 belongs to R, 3 comma 5 belongs to R, but 2 comma 5 not belongs to R means this one is not transitive. Okay, suppose I will take one example. Okay, not of not transitive means also transitive. X comma y belongs to R, y comma z not belongs to R, x comma z not belongs to R. Only one pair belongs to R. The another statement and reason also not belongs to R means this one is a not of non transitive. Suppose 2 comma 3 belongs to R, 3 comma 5 not belongs to R, 2 comma 5 also not belongs to R means this one is a not of not transitive. And another one, x comma y not belongs to R, y comma z not belongs to R, x comma z also not belongs to R. 3 pairs not belongs to R means, and already told this one is only reflexive. Okay, another symmetric pairs also not in A. Then not of not symmetric, and also 3 pair also not in A. Then this one is a not of not transitive also. Okay, and R equal to pi, empty set means this one is also satisfied, not of not transitive. Okay, and not of not transitive, not of not symmetric. Okay, similarly now see that one, x comma y belongs to R, only one pair belongs to R, and another statement another reason or not belongs to R, then R is not transitive, R is transitive. R is an here not reflexive, not symmetric, but only transitive. Then R is not an equivalence relation. Understand or not? Sixth one, prove that the relation friendship is not an equivalence relation on the set of all people in Chennai. Let P denote the set of all people in Chennai. I will take reflexive. It's an important condition. A belongs to P. A related to A. A is not a friend of A. A related to A means a person may be or may not be a friend of A. A person may be or may not be a friend of himself. Okay. Now, in not condition satisfied, then R is not reflexive. Okay. Symmetric, A comma B belongs to P. A related to B, A is a friend of B. So, it is a statement. A related to B means A is a friend of B. Reason, B related to A. B is a or not a friend of A. Suppose I will take Kala and Mala. Okay, Kala and Mala. Kala think Mala is a friend. Kala think Mala is a friend. But Mala think Kala may be a friend or may not be a friend. May be a friend or may not be a friend. Then similarly B related to A means B is a friend or B is not a friend of A. Not means or is not symmetric. Transitive, A comma B comma C belongs to P. A related to B if A is a friend of B. B related to C if B is a friend of C. Two statements. Reason, A related to C. A related to C. Similarly, in symmetric method, A is a friend of C or A is not a friend of C. Okay? A may be a friend of C. A may not be a friend of C. Okay? A related to B. That is A is a friend of B. B is a friend of C. But A and C may be or may not be a friend of C. Okay? Or is not transitive or is not an equivalence relation. Okay? We want to prove that it's not an equivalence relation. Hence proved. Okay? On the set of natural numbers, let R be the relation defined by A related to B if A plus B less than or equal to 6. Write down the relation by listing all the pairs. Check whether it is reflexive, symmetric, transitive, equivalence. N denote the set of all natural numbers. A related to B if A plus B less than or equal to 6. அப்போ A less than or equal to 6 minus B. 6 minus B. Suppose I will take B equal to 1. Natural number starting from 1, B equal to 1. 1 means 6 minus 1, A less than or equal to 5. A less than or equal to 5. அப்போ less than or equal to 5 means 1 to 5. அப்போ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But B equal to 1 only. Okay, அப்போ 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. Next B equal to 2. 2 means 6 minus 2, 4. அப்போ A less than or equal to 4. A take values 1 to 4. அப்போ 1, 2, 3, 4. B equal to 2 only. அப்போ 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2. B equal to 3. 3 means 6 minus 3, 3. A less than or equal to 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. B equal to 3 only. அப்போ 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3. Here A less than or equal to 2. 2 means 1 and 2. 1, 2. B equal to 4. அப்போ 1, 4, 2, 4. Next B equal to 5. 5 means 6 minus 1. 6 minus 5, 1. அப்போ A less than or equal to 1. அப்போ A equal to 1. B equal to 5. 1, 5. Okay, suppose B equal to 6. 6 means 0. Okay, here natural number. Then we cannot find the ordered pairs. R equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. 4, 1, 4, 2, 5, 1. Okay. Reflexive. Here 1 to 5. Okay. Natural number 1 to 5. 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, but 4 comma 4, 5 comma 5 not in R. Therefore R is not reflexive. Okay, symmetric 2 comma 3, now 3 comma 2 belongs to R. Okay, 2 comma 4, 4 comma 2 belongs to R, and 5 comma 1, 1 comma 5 belongs to R. 4 comma 1, 1 comma 4 belongs to R. All conditions are satisfied. Okay, 2 comma 3 belongs to R, 3 comma 2 belongs to R. 4 comma 2 belongs to R, 2 comma 4 belongs to R. Then R is symmetric. Transitive, see that one, 5 comma 1 belongs to R. 1 comma 5 belongs to R. 5 comma 1, 1 comma 5, 5 comma 1, 1 comma 5 belongs to R. But 5 comma 5 not belongs to R. Similarly, 4 comma 2 belongs to R, 2 comma 4 belongs to R. 4 comma 4 not belongs to R. Okay, statement in R but reason not belongs to R means R is not transitive, R is not an equivalence relation. Not reflexive, symmetric, not transitive. Therefore R is not an equivalence relation. Eighth one, let A equal to A comma B comma C. What is the equivalence relation of smallest cardinality of A, and what is the equivalence relation of largest cardinality of A? Cardinal means number of values. Okay, A equal to A comma B comma C. Suppose I will take R equal to A comma A, B comma B, C comma C. Okay, only take 3 values. Reflexive means A comma A, B comma B, C comma C belongs to R. R is reflexive. Okay, symmetric means no A comma B belongs to R, B comma A also not belongs to R. Okay, 2 pairs also not belongs to R means R is not symmetric. Already I have explained. Okay, R is symmetric. Transitive also no pairs. Okay, only 3 pairs, reflexive pairs only here, and the remaining pairs not in R. A comma B belongs to R, B comma C also not belongs to R, A comma C also not belongs to R. 3 pairs not in R, then R is not transitive, R is transitive. R is an equivalence relation. Reflexive, symmetric, transitive condition satisfied, equivalence relation. The smallest coordinate and A equal to n of R equal to only 3 pairs. Okay, அப்போ n of R equal to 3. That is the smallest cardinality. Okay, next we want to find largest cardinality of A. Largest cardinality means I will take A comma A, B comma B, C comma C. A comma B, A comma C. Next B comma A, B comma C. இப்போ A comma B comma C means A, B, C. A comma A, B comma B, C comma C. Next A comma B, A comma C. Next B comma A, B comma C. C comma A, C comma B. Okay, take this. Reflexive, A comma A, B comma B, C comma C belongs to R. R is reflexive. Symmetric, A comma B, B comma A belongs to R. A comma C, C comma A belongs to R. B comma C, C comma B belongs to R. Therefore R is symmetric. And similarly, transitive, A comma C belongs to R, C comma B belongs to R, A comma B also belongs to R. A comma B belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R, A comma C also belongs to R. All pairs in R. Okay, then R is transitive. R is transitive. R is an equivalence relation. Our largest cardinality on A is n of R equal to 9. Okay, R is an equivalence relation. Largest cardinality n of R equal to 9. Next sum, in the set Z of integers, define m related to n if m minus n is divisible by 7. Prove that R is an equivalence relation. Important sum. Z denote the set of all integers. Okay, reflexive, m belongs to Z. I will take m belongs to Z. Let m related to m. Reflexive means m related to m. Then m minus n means m minus m here. M minus m equal to 0. 0 is divisible by any number. Okay, but 0 is divisible by 7. Okay, R is reflexive. Next, symmetric m comma n belongs to z. Let m related to n. M related to n means m minus n equal to 7k. That is divisible by 7. Then I will take 7k for some integer k. Okay. So it is a statement. We want to find n minus m. N minus m means here m minus n equal to 7k. M minus n equal to 7k. Now take the minus common. That is a minus n minus m. Take the minus common means here positive, here negative. N minus m equal to 7k. Now n minus m equal to, minus go to that side, minus 7k. This can be written as 7 into minus k. Okay. அப்போ m minus n equal to 7k. N minus m equal to 7 into minus k. See that one. N minus m equal to 7 into minus k is divisible by 7. Hence, n related to m also satisfied. Okay. Or is symmetric. Transitive m related to n. Sorry. Transitive m comma n comma p belongs to z. M related to n and n related to p. Okay, statement. M related to n means m minus n equal to, I will take 7k. N related to p means n minus p equal to 7l. For some integers k and l. This is divisible by 7, divisible by 7. Okay, we want to find m related to p. M related to p. See that one. M minus n equal to 7k. N minus p equal to 7l. Okay, add this two value. Minus 7 plus 7 cancel. Balance m minus p equal to 7 common taken out, k plus l. K plus l. But thus m minus p equal to 7 into k plus l is divisible by 7. Hence, it's also divisible by 7. M related to p. M related to p or is transitive. Therefore, or is an equivalence relation. Okay. Thank you, students.